Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be working with Madam Glam and I'll be doing a review as well as like a how-to at-home gel manicure video. And I am super excited about this one. I love gel manicures, but I find that they're just not something that I treat myself to that often. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say a couple of things. The first is, even though I was sent product from Madam Glam to review, that's no way going to impact what I tell you guys. I feel like it's my responsibility to you to be honest and truthful, so that is what I'm going to do. And the second thing is, please keep in mind that I'm not a professional nail tech. I'm just a girl with an office job, and yeah. And that is all. So now it's time to get into the review and the how-to portion of the video. Okay, so let's start off by talking a little bit about Madam Glam. Madam Glam is your one-stop shop for all things gel nails. They sell lamps, they sell tools like drills and bits and files and brushes, and of course they sell gel polishes. And when I say they sell gel polishes, they sell a lot of gel polishes. They literally have every color one could ask for. And all of Madam Glam's gels are vegan, HEMA-free, cruelty-free, 21-free, palm oil-free, and gluten-free, which I think is pretty awesome. Now let's talk about shopping at Madam Glam. You can either buy things from them just like you would any other online store, or you can opt to become a VIP member. All you have to do is select the VIP membership option at checkout. VIP membership is $29 a month and is charged on the first of the month, and this monthly fee is converted into store credits that last up to 12 months. As a VIP, you always get 50% off your gels, access to exclusive private sales and new arrivals, and free shipping and exchanges. And of course, you can pause or cancel your subscription at any time. Overall, I think the VIP membership program is a great idea if you're looking to start up or build up your collection. It's now time to talk about what I was sent. Madam Glam sent me a mini light, a base coat, a top coat, and 3 gel colors. I absolutely love these colors, and the consistency of all 3 of these polishes is the same, which I would say is easy to work with. They're more viscous than your standard nail polish, but not so much so that they're hard to work with. The base and top coats also feel really nice. In relation to the colors, the base coat feels a little bit thicker and a little bit tackier, and the top coat feels a little bit thinner. Anyway, moving on to this adorable mini lamp. If you press the button, it will run for 45 seconds, and if you hold the button down for 1 to 2 seconds, it will run for 60 seconds. And I personally can't hear any noises when it's running. This lamp would be really great if you travel a lot or if you're an on-the-go kind of person because it's super compact and portable. I would say though that if you're planning on doing your gels at home for the most part, I would opt for the full-size lamp. 1, because your thumb is probably not going to fit under here with the rest of your fingers, and 2, because there are only 6 bulbs, it does take the polish a little bit more time to cure. And now it's time for the fun part, the at-home manicure. You're going to start off by taking your base coat and applying one thin and even layer. Once you've done that to all your nails, you're going to cure based on the instructions on the bottle. The time you need to cure for is going to vary based on what kind of lamp you have. Next, you're going to apply your gel color, and again, you want a thin and even layer. As a side note, this is not the correct application based on what I read. I think you're supposed to paint the polish on in like a rectangular shape, but I tried that and it didn't work out for me, so here we are. Anyway, once you're done with your first coat, you're going to cure based on the instructions on the bottle, and then you're going to repeat these steps until you're happy with how the color looks. Then when you're happy with how your color looks, you're going to take your dried flowers and soak them in some alcohol. This is just going to make them softer and easier to work with. You're now going to apply 1 coat of your gel color and hold off on curing it. You're going to put your flowers on first and then you're going to cure it. I don't really have a method for how to lay the flowers out. I would just say be creative and do what you think looks good. I personally like things that have a good color distribution and that look like they're branching out from like one part of the nail. Anyway, once your flowers are laid out and you've cured your nails, you're going to put 1 more coat of color. This is just going to make it look like the flowers are kind of like encased in the color. And once you've cured that layer, you're going to put a thin and even layer of top coat on and cure that based on the instructions on the bottle. And then you're done, and you're ready to rock your really cute autumnal floral nails. I absolutely love how these turned out, And if you're wondering why they look a little bit funny in these clips, it is because I use like that wall tacky stuff to put them on because I am saving them for a wedding I have in a couple weeks. Overall, I would definitely recommend shopping at Madam Glam if you're looking into getting into gels. Their polishes are great, they look amazing, and they're super easy to use. I mean, I've never done a gel manicure at home, and look at what I was able to do. I personally think these look like they were done at a salon. And speaking of salons, at-home gel manicures are much more cost-effective, and they're also just a really fun and relaxing thing to do. Oh, and before I forget, Madam Glam has kindly given me a discount code and link for you guys. It's for 30% off, and I'll leave the code in the video and the link in the description box. So feel free to enjoy that if you'd like. And yeah, thank you so much to Madam Glam. I loved making this video. Thank you so much to my subscribers. I wouldn't be doing stuff like this without you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!